I have great news for Apple users. Do you know what it is? Alright, I am telling you. In 2025, Apple isn't just upgrading your phone, it's transforming it into an intelligent companion. With the launch of iOS 18, the tech giant is finally stepping boldly into the artificial intelligence arena. Not with flashy headlines or futuristic robots, but with silent, seamless intelligence into the everyday user experience. Yes, iOS 18 is Apple's most AI-powered update yet. And unlike others racing for viral chatbot demos, Apple's move is subtle, deliberate, and intensely user-focused. Now, the questions are, what exactly is Apple doing with AI in iOS 18? How does it compare with Google, Microsoft, and Samsung? And why is Apple's quiet, privacy-first approach starting to look like a masterstroke? Let's break it down. First of all, a bit of context. For years, Apple stayed relatively quiet on the generative AI front. While Google introduced Gemini and Microsoft partnered with OpenAI to flood Windows and Office with AI features. Then why Apple seems silent? They are late to the game. But the truth, Apple wasn't late. They are preparing for the innovative blast. Unlike its rivals, Apple doesn't just chase trends, it perfects them for the mainstream. And now, with iOS 18, the curtain is rising. Apple's AI evolution is the on-device intelligence model. Unlike many AI tools that rely on constant cloud connections, Apple is integrating machine learning models that work locally. That means right on your Apple devices. Now the question is, why is this big deal? And the answer is, it puts user privacy and speed first. Your data doesn't need to leave your device to be analyzed. That means faster results, more personal context, and most importantly, it keeps your private life private. Now let's dive into the most exciting AI features coming in iOS 18. First is Siri Reborn. Siri has long felt like a lizard in the world of smart assistants, limited, scripted, and clunky. But in iOS 18, Apple is giving Siri a major intelligence boost, not just with better voice recognition, but with full-on conversational context, generative response, and task automation. Siri will now understand follow-up questions, multitask, and helps you manage apps more naturally. For example, you can now say, Siri, summarize the last email from Jason, then schedule a replay for 9 AM tomorrow, and it will do it using Apple's on-device language model. What's more, Siri is finally becoming visual aware. If you are looking at a photo or a document, you can say, what is this? And Siri will recognize the content on screen and give you the context or actions, like translating text, creating a calendar event, or opening directions based on an address shown. The second one is AI-powered writing tools. In Notes, Mail, and even third-party apps that integrate with Apple's new APIs, you will get system-wide writing assistance. Think of it like ChatGPT built directly into your keyboard, but privacy-safe and Apple-optimized. Need to draft a message, reword a sentence, summarize a long email, or even rewrite something in a more formal or casual tone? iOS 18 generative text features can handle that. And since it will all happen locally, your data isn't sent up to Apple server or any third party. The third feature is smart photo editing. Apple is bringing powerful AI-based photo editing tools straight into the Photos app. No need to go through the hassles for extra downloads or cloud processing. You can now remove background objects, sharpen blurry faces, or generate new background using info from your photo library. It's Apple's answer to Google's Magic Editor, but with one major difference, and that is it's private, intuitive, and integrated directly into your existing workflows. And the fourth is AI in messages and mail. iOS 18 is getting smarter about how you communicate. The Messages app now can summarize long threads, suggest relevant and intelligent replies, and even create quick notes or to-do list based on what you are thinking about. This is a really fantastic feature, especially for me. Mail becomes even more powerful with auto-categorization of emails, AI-generated summaries, and smart reminders based on content. You might get an email about an event, and your iPhone will automatically suggest adding it to your calendar or sending a replay. The fifth one is AI-enhanced accessibility. This is one of the most quietly brilliant parts of iOS 18. Apple is using AI to make devices even more accessible. For users with vision impairments, AI can describe images more accurately. For those with motor challenges, Siri's improved understanding allows for complex commands with simpler speech. There are also new features like personal voice AI, where users can train their iPhones to replicate their own voice using machine learning. This can be life-changing for those who may lose their ability to speak due to medical conditions. I think this is also a super innovation. The sixth feature of Apple's AI is App Intelligence. Apple is rolling out tools for developers to build smarter apps using on-device AI. Whether it's smarter fitness tracking, music recommendations, or educational tools that adapt to your learning style, AI in iOS 18 isn't just improving Apple's app. It's a whole platform shift for the entire Apple ecosystem. Developers can now access Apple's new Core ML4 models, which allow for faster, more efficient deployment of custom AI features. That means your favorite third-party apps are about to get a lot smarter. And the final point is integration with Apple hardware. Apple controls the hardware and the software. They are making AI feel invisible. iOS 18's AI features are optimized for the A17 and M series chips. It means they run faster, use less battery, and feel smooth. On devices like the iPhone 15 Pro and the latest iPads, Apple is using the Neural Engine to deliver complex AI capabilities in real time with no lag and no cloud connection needed. So, what's the big picture here? Apple isn't just adding AI. They are redefining how it should feel. Instead of asking you to use AI, iOS 18 simply makes your device smarter, more helpful, and more aware of your needs. It's AI not as a feature, but as a foundation. While competitors race to show off dazzling AI tricks, Apple is embedding intelligence quietly, securely, and seamlessly within the system. And that's the Apple way. With iOS 18, you won't just be holding a phone, you will be holding a personal intelligence system tailored to you that understands what you need without ever breaking your trust. The future of the iPhone isn't just smart, it's intuitively intelligent, and this is only the beginning. Let's see what the future will hold. For more updates, stay tuned and let us know in the comment. What do you think about the innovative innovation of Apple?